everyone, it's Brian with GreyWolf Towers again. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. First of all, you may have noticed that I've shaven. I don't shave very often, but when this starts to get a little scraggly, I shave it all off and grow it back again. So in the next week or two, this should be back to normal. So today's video is going to be different for a different reason than normally. Like usually our different videos are just because of little twists like I shaved or something like that. This one's going to be different for a completely different reason. The item that we're going to be showing today is an unboxing video for, it is a tech gadget, but it is not a computer related gadget. And I'm going to warn you right now, I am being paid $10 whole for doing this unboxing video. So it's going to be a little bit different. It's an unboxing and a first-hand view of it. I am going to keep it completely my own opinion. I'm not giving you any company opinion. All they said was, if you do an unboxing video for us, we'll give you $10. And I said, okay, cool. 10 bucks in my pocket, can't complain. So today's video is going to be on this here. This is a Povo, P-O-V-O, I believe that's a V. It's a laser hair removal tool. So let's do a quick unboxing. It came just like this. It was not inside of any other box, so that's kind of disappointing. I don't think that it's the manufacturer's fault. I think that it's Amazon's fault for choosing to not wrap an item. Because if I remember correctly, this was shipped by Amazon, sold by somebody else. So it's one of those deals where it's somebody selling it and just using Amazon drop shipping. So now, so far so good. Oh, there we go. So on the outside of the box it says IPL 5-level energy contact sensor, 999,999 flashes, cold compress. So permanent hair removal, no pain in ice. So it's supposed to be a cool burn to the laser. So when you open it up, you get the little instructions, it looks like. So you get that. User's manual, there we go. And so it just gives you a breakdown of stuff. It is in English on one side and on the other as well. Okay, so that's cool. So again, this isn't going to be an actual review of the item, it's just a paid showing of the unboxing. And then you've got the power adapter, which is always good to have for these electronics. We've got the device. Looks like a pair of glasses for doing it so you don't blind yourself. And a razor. Interesting. Okay. I mean, it is hair removal, so I guess it makes sense. And then the unit itself looks like it has a power button, and then I'm guessing a zap button. It's a bit big for the hand, but I guess if you're going to hold it like this to fire it, it makes sense. I don't know. So it does have some sort of vents, but it does look nice. My wife wants to do some stuff with this, so I'm going to let her play with it, and then we'll give an update on it. But again, this is the Povo IPL laser hair removal tool. Overall, it's just a big, hefty, I mean, I'm a 6-foot guy with big hands, and it's a pretty big tool. So I'll try to give it about a week or so and do an update on this video to let you know what's the deal with the usage of it. Again, I'm not being paid for a review of it. I'm being paid for the fact that they wanted an unboxing video. So keep that in mind. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope that this was informational to you and that you found it a little bit educational as to what's included in the IPL laser hair removal by Povo. I will update the video with the comment to let you know how it works, whether it's worth getting, in my opinion. But for an unboxing video, I think this has been good enough. If there's anything else you'd like to know, feel free to leave a comment down below letting me know your questions. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button that I'm going to link up here so that you can stay up to date on our new videos and our community section. And as always, feel free to leave a comment down below, asking any questions that you might have about the product, the channel, or myself, and I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. So, thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day. Bye for now.